Growth stories are built on strong belief and even stronger trust. Ours was built quietly, in risk, in resolve, in a relentless belief, and in enduring conviction. A belief shaped by values passed down through family, and a faith that held firm, becoming the foundation of growth. Before factories came alive, there was only one question: can India build what it depends on? And a belief that the answer must come from within. That belief took shape in 2001. It was called Vishakha. Today, Vishakha completes 25 years. 25 years of harnessing life.
Dear friends, this year is a special, incredible year for personally me and all of us as we celebrate 25 years together in Vishakha Group. In a one fine day, Gautam bhai just told me કે જીગીસ એક પ્લાસ્ટિક ફિલ્મની ફેક્ટરી નાખી દે. આપણે ફોર્ચ્યુનની ફેક્ટરી શરૂ કરી છે અને એના પેકેજિંગ મટીરિયલ માટે જઈને એક ફિલ્મની ફેક્ટરી શરૂ કરી ગયા. અને ત્યારે મારા મોઢામાંથી એક જ શબ્દ નીકળ્યો, સારું. મને કોઈ એક્સપિરિયન્સ નહોતો. આઈ વોઝ અ ટ્રેડર. એટ ધેટ ટાઈમ આઈ વોઝ નોટ અ મેન્યુફેક્ચરર. અને મેં કીધું સારું. અને ધેન જર્ની સ્ટાર્ટ.
It was in this moment that Shri Jigish Doshi made a defining commitment to Shri Gautam Adani to supply 30 metric tons of flexible packaging film per month. For Vishakha Polyfab, the choice was clear. A 5-layer co-extrusion blown film line from Brampton Machinery was installed at a time when most of India still operated with simpler configurations. The promise was honored and an enduring trust was established. Protecting India's produce, 2003. As India's FMCG sector expanded, a silent challenge emerged. In 2003, Vishakha took a step ahead of demand, introducing India's first 7-layer co-extrusion film technology. Packaging was no longer a wrapper, it became preservation.
એડિબલ ઓઇલમાં પહેલાં વર્ષો પહેલાં 1 month અને 3 monthની શેલ્ફ લાઈફ હતી. પછી 5 લેયર ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ થયું ત્યારે 6 month સુધીની શેલ્ફ લાઈફ થઈ. જ્યારે 7 લેયર એન્ડ અબાઉ ટેકનોલોજી આવી તો દે ગો અપ ટુ 9 month or 12 month.
Moving India's produce, 2006. In 2006, Vishakha entered pipes and moldings. Packaging protected what was inside. Moldings protected how it moved. In 2008, Vishakha Plastic Pipes Private Limited was established with a clear focus on structured piping systems for water management and irrigation. Pioneering advanced packaging, 2009 to 2013. By 2009, Vishakha advanced its packaging capability, mastering 9-layer high barrier films. These films delivered superior protection. Overcoming challenges, 2014 and 2015. Then came the night when years disappeared in hours.
2014માં 15 ઓગસ્ટે અમારે ત્યાં એક ફાયર થઈ અને એક આખું ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ પ્રિન્ટિંગ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ ફાયરની ઝપટમાં આવી ગયું અને આખું પ્રિન્ટિંગ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ બળી ગયું. આવી વખતે ત્યારે અમારા એમ્પ્લોયીએ રાત દિવસ કામ કર્યું. અમારા સપ્લાયરે રાત દિવસે સપ્લાય કર્યો. 1-2 વર્ષ અમને કદાચ થોડી કમર્શિયલાઇઝ થઈ હશે પણ અમે એનાથી 10 ગણી સ્પીડે આગળ વધ્યા પછી.
In another moment of testing, the organization faced a financial fraud. The response was immediate because integrity is a commitment, even when it comes at a cost.
And when we saw the opportunity that our joint venture partners Adani Group are getting in a big way in solar, and then we realized that there's a very big deficiency in terms of the ecosystem that is over here.
Harnessing the power of sun. 2016. Vishakha entered renewable energy manufacturing, not as diversification, but as responsibility. Encapsulants, backsheets, manufactured in India, for India. Going global, for India. 2017. Some futures cannot be built alone. In 2017, Vishakha partnered with Vinegar Plastic Products, Israel. Together, they created one of the world's largest greenhouse manufacturing ecosystems. Advancing innovation, 2018 to 2020. In 2018-19, the group expanded into city gas pipelines. In 2020, PLB ducts were introduced. At the same time, 5-layer, 7-layer and 9-layer packaging capacities were expanded across India. In 2020, Vishakha achieved one more technological first. India's first Aqua Frost water-quenched blown film line. Venturing into metals, 2019-20. Through a joint venture with Adani Group, Vishakha took a decisive step into a new manufacturing frontier. Vishakha Metals was launched to produce aluminum frames for solar panels, enabling India's clean energy transition. Delivering to the world, 2020-2021. With capabilities firmly established, Vishakha began expanding its geographic footprint. In December 2020, a greenfield manufacturing plant in Kolkata commenced operations. Soon after, in early 2021, manufacturing began in Indonesia through a joint venture with Wilmar, marking Vishakha's first large-scale step beyond Indian shores. Completing the solar ecosystem, 2021 to 2023. In 2021, Vishakha reached a defining milestone, the launch of Vishakha Glass. A vision taking shape, a nation watching it rise. In 2023, India's largest solar glass furnace became operational. And when the first sheet of solar glass rolled out, eyes filled with pride. Because this wasn't just glass. It was proof that India could build what it once imported. For the first time, our nation had a deeply integrated solar ecosystem. Solar encapsulants, solar backsheets, solar aluminum frames, solar glass, all under one roof. Solar power was no longer aspirational. It became attainable. The 4 pillars of Vishakha. A journey like this does not stand on milestones alone. Certain foundations remained constant. Our people were the first foundation. Those who joined early grew with the organization. Over time, continuity followed. Second-generation employees worked alongside those who had built Vishakha from the ground up. From the outset, the best-in-class global machinery and advanced packaging technologies were brought into India. Dedicated R&D laboratories enabled continuous innovation India could depend on.
So every business that you see that we have ventured into, we have come out with some differentiation. So whether it was our packaging business, we were India's first 5 layer, first 7 layer, first 9 layer, and now going to be the first 11 layer, first water quench line, first cast film line. So complete every technology that we've gone to. When it came to the aluminum business, we were the first to have a scale of anodizing that India saw, right? Fully automated anodizing and the scale, the capacity and all. When we went to glass, we said we'll go with the largest glass capacity and fully integrated the most advanced available plant. Our phase 2 is the largest glass furnace in the country across all sectors of glass at 1260. So we have always done something that was not done before, whether in terms of technology or in terms of size or in terms of automation.
This journey was never built alone. It was shaped by partnerships, rooted in trust and long-term belief. Collaborations with Adani Wilmar and Ginegar played a defining role in Vishakha's growth. Alongside them, partnerships with Asahi Glass and Swarco added depth, technology, and specialized expertise. Growth that does not give back remains incomplete. Through the Vishakha Foundation, progress moved beyond factories and markets into education, healthcare, skill development, and community well-being. What next? 2025. With strong foundations in place, the focus now shifts firmly to the future. In 2025, a successful fundraise marked something deeper. The market's trust in Vishakha's vision, governance, and journey. In packaging, the next milestone is clear. India's first 11-layer barrier cast film line, setting a new benchmark in protection and performance. Solar glass manufacturing capacity is set to double to 1,260 tons per day, making Vishakha India's largest solar glass manufacturing facility. And with a similar scale, expansions are planned in the metals business. Vishakha is strengthening the backbone of the solar value chain.
We have become much more aligned to the principle of building Bharat, I would say. Create the kind of efficiencies, skill set, and the scale in India that we don't just provide for India, but we provide for the world from India.
Vision 2028. 25 years of courage, curiosity, creation. From a single plant in 2001 to a multi-location organization. From 5 crore rupees in turnover to a more than 7,000 plus crores. From 25 people to over 3,500. From capability built on credibility to trust earned across industries and borders.
We are just 25 years younger company and we have to grow much more. In growth, we have to run, we have to walk, we have to jump. I have a full confidence on my team, my Vishakha પરિવાર. ચોક્કસ Vishakha 5 વર્ષમાં એક નવી હિસ્ટ્રી, નવું બેન્ચમાર્ક ક્રિએટ કરશે.
With a clear vision for 2028 to build 1 lakh tons of plastic processing capacity to scale towards 10 lakh tons of overall processing, not as numbers alone, but as responsibility. To build deeper capabilities and support India's growth story. Because what we build is not just for markets. It is for meaning. It is for resilience. It is for the nation's confidence. This is Vishakha.
In these 25 years, it's all about Vishakha's growth, ownership,
vision,
quality product,
results.
self-belief, a long-lasting partnership, trust,
Success,
free hand,
good person,
fastest growing group,
a pride.
progress,
growth,
excellence,
a very strong leadership,
ownership, talent,
Family, term partnership, aspiration, opportunity.
accountability,
commitment,
stability,
support,
extended family,
Care.
visionary,
empowerment,
agility and endurance.
shaping tomorrow's India.
"25 years of harnessing life, the power of building the invisible. This is just the beginning."